So in this video we are going to discuss next previous year's questions differentiation. Question is differentiate f of x with respect to g of x. If f of x is given e power x and g of x is given root x. Now how to differentiate f of x with respect to g of x. Now given that f of x is equal to e to the power of x. Now say suppose this is 1. So now g of x is equal to root x. Say this is 2. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x on both sides. So now what we get? F dash x is equal to the derivative of d by dx of e power x. So we know that the derivative of e power x is equal to e to the power of x. So now f dash x is equal to e to the power of x. Similarly, here differentiate 2 with respect to x on both sides. Now what we get, this is g dash of x is equal to d by dx of root x. So we know the derivative of root x. What is the derivative of root x? D by dx of root x. So which is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Right? So now g dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Now, therefore, so differentiate f of x. So differentiate f of x with respect to g of x, which is equal to differentiate f of x with respect to g of x is nothing but f dash of x by g dash of x. So differentiate f of x with respect to g of x is nothing but f dash of x by g dash of x. Now f dash of x is e power x by g dash of x is here 1 by 2 root x. This is you get. So f dash of x is e power x and here g dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So now which is the fraction here? This is. Now which becomes what here? So e power x by 1 by 2 root x. So which is nothing but, so we get, so e power x, so into, so this is 2 root x. E power x into 2 root x. So finally we get, so which is equal to, so 2 into root x into e to the power of x. Finally what we get? So 2 into root x into e to the power of x. So which is therefore, so f dash of x by g dash of x is equal to here 2 into, so e power x into root x also we can write. So 2 root x into e to the power of x. Like this we can prove. Next.